So in this video we'll be talking about the recruitment app. So to access the recruitment app, you click on the home menu, you scroll to recruitment. So before we navigate through the application, I want to talk about what the purpose of the app. As you can see, it's for the job positions. So as you can see here, it displays several job positions and shows several applicants. For instance, 0 new applicants, so there are no new applicants for this, 1 new applicant for this position. So that is the main purpose of the recruitment app. So let me navigate through the app to explain further for you. For instance, this architect app, you see that there are 0 applicants, 0 new applications. It means there are no new applications for this. So if you notice, it's showing published here. It's because here is turned on to publish. So if you click here, it's unpublish it, as you can see here. So click here to publish. Now to show the 0 new applicant, let's click on it. If you click on it, say no application found, let's create one. So let's go back. So now it will be different in showing for this one, showing 1 new applicant. Let's click on it as well. Yeah, it shows Joy Orji, Chief Assistant, Chief Technical Officer, new applicant. So after the application process, this particular person may either be shipped to initial qualification, first interview, second interview, and contract proposal based on the performance of the person when the person has been interviewed the first time, the second time, and so on. So another important thing I would like to point out is currently it's arranged in a Kanban. Currently arranged in a Kanban format, okay? But you can arrange it in a list format as well to help you understand maybe the number of applicants for positions. For instance, in a list format it shows the job positions, and you can easily see the ones with 1 and the ones with new applicants and no applicants at all. So you can easily detect them. So in a list format, help you to visualize it in a different way other than the Kanban. So over here you can see the departments, which is for all the departments, and for under board of directors there's the finance department, which is the compensation and benefit specialist. So this is the purpose of the recruitment app, to display job positions, which is very, very helpful. So another thing I would like you to look out is the search. Now the job positions are few at this point. They may be over 100, over 200, and you want to look for a particular job positions. So this search bar helps you to search a position so you can easily access it, and so that this is a very good feature. So let's click on reporting, recruitment analysis. So the recruitment analysis shows the graph for Chief Technical Officer, HR Coordinator. This shows the graph. Now you can select. This is currently a stack. You can make a pie chart. You can make a bar chart, you can make a line chart for it. So that features, it just help you to understand better the recruitment app. So this is basically what the recruitment app is made for. Recruitment app is made for to display job positions as well. So these job positions now, they're displayed for where applicants can access it. Let me use this one for example. You see this particular arrow rating job page, so click on it. Now it takes you to here. Now this is what people applying. You see Chief Technical Officer, then you see the description of the job. As an employee in our company, you collaborate with each department to create and deploy disruptive products and so on. So you see responsibilities. This is how it's properly display for the applicants when they are applying, so that they can better understand what the position is for. So let's go back to recruitment. So this has come to the end of the explanation of the recruitment app. So I think I've covered everything, and one important thing again is one important thing I would like to show you is this creating new job position. So click on new. Yeah, so to create a job position, you can click on new, then write out a job position. Write out the email. Applicants can send a resume to this email. It will create an applicant automatically. So you can create the job positions. When you're done filling, you click on create. So that's all about the recruitment app.